Two state Supreme Court justices brought the campaign to keep their jobs to Nashville, just as an opposition group accused them of breaking the law.
At the same time, a local citizen today asked prosecutors to open a criminal investigation into the role of Lieutenant Governor Ron Ramsey. News Channel 5 Chief Investigative Reporter Phil Williams has been tracking the developments.
And as you can tell, all of this comes just 2 days before Tennesseans will vote to retain or replace 3 Democratic appointees, and as both sides make their final arguments.
We need you to go to the polls. We need you to show up in great numbers.
At the Davidson County Courthouse, 2 incumbent justices tried to rev up Tennesseans to vote retain, thwarting an effort by Lieutenant Governor Ron Ramsey to help Republicans seize control of the state's high court.
If the lieutenant governor wants to put another $500,000 into this campaign, he can do it, but it won't do a bit of good. Because in Tennessee, justice is not for sale. Thank you.
Meanwhile, an opposition group, the Tennessee Forum, announced that a Stewart County Republican leader and local election official had filed a complaint against the 3 incumbent justices, accusing them of using improper campaign signs and conspiring with a political action committee that came to their defense.
As chairman of the Election Commission, I have an oath to uphold election laws, and I was duty-bound to inform proper authorities when I see that there is possible misdoings.
You know, the election's 48 hours away. I think they're desperate. I think it's just a continuation of their smear campaign against the Supreme Court.
Clarksville resident Barry Schmitto also filed a new complaint with the Davidson County DA, asking for an investigation into whether Ramsey broke state law by having his staff draw up lines of attack and hosting a campaign-related meeting in his office. Ramsey's defense has been it was all done during breaks.
So we don't get breaks. Is that what you're saying? That so every 24 hours a day, this is business hours? Is that what you say here?
Now, we should note that Barry Schmitto filed a similar complaint with the State Ethics Commission that was dismissed, although if there was any improper use of state resources, that would actually be up to the TBI to investigate. As for the campaign complaint against the justices, Vicki, that probably won't be resolved until well after the election.
Which is just 2 days away.
Exactly.
All right, thanks, Phil.